Greetings from the channel of Bharti Electronics. Have you bought a new mobile, laptop, or a new computer? You need an email ID. Then the video is for you. I will show you how to create an email ID through computer. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel, play bell icon, like, and share the video with your friends to let them know about this. Now let's go to the computer screen. First open any browser. I opened Google Chrome browser for demonstration. You have to type here in the browser, new Gmail account. After writing enter and proceed, then this interface will appear in front of you. Here it is written create an account. Click here. Before that, there are many things written here if possible. Check this information once, then proceed. Here it is written, enter your name in this box. I enter my name in the below box, enter my surname or title. After that click next. Here you have to enter your date of birth. First put the date of birth, then the month of birth. Select the month here, then select the year. After selecting the year, select the gender. Select male or female here. I am male here, so I selected the male here. After that the user clicked next. A field for name will appear. Enter your username here. This will be your mail ID. So write your name or an ID that you remember. I put my name and number. Increase the number by 1. Take this. Then next, write your password. Then put the same password in the confirmation password box. Remember the password and somewhere if necessary write it down. Now to check whether your password is correct, click on the password box and match the password. After that, if you click next, you will get a verification code sent to your phone. Here you need to put a mobile number, the number you will send. A verification code will go to this number. Through SMS look at the number and put it. After that click on next. Click. After clicking next you need to enter a mail ID. For this, if you ever forget your password, in that case, to recover the password, in that case, this recovery email ID will be useful. So you put an email ID and click next. Now you have to give the recovery mobile number. You enter your mobile number, then click on the Yes I'm in box. Then you will be shown your name, email ID and the phone number you provided. After that click Next. You will be shown privacy terms. After checking everything well, below you will see I agree. Click there then. You will be shown welcome and your name. Your email ID has been created. Now you can use this email ID. Thanks.